Abisunde Olobo. Good afternoon, Natasha Momo Isa. So. Happy Sundays, Osa Sempo to Happy Sunday, Kore Vivan, Bella Kenya to Azera to not to the Queen Adesuwa Anthony, I greet you, my brother. Good afternoon, Edego Sasuwa. Good afternoon, Unstoppable Mori. It's late Omego. Adesuwa Anthony the Queen Yayo. Where say Omono Mose. Oni Omone. Les hommes trois omi. Palipwa wa. Happy Sunday, Patrick Agumpa. Agumpa. Keep sharing. I'm going to make a cake now. I am going to my bottle. Yeah. If you have to move some more. Ethiopia to go. Ituwaya fẹ́ Edoni Mose. Ituwaya if you have to Edene na epo ya yebo kun undawe eveni akana kama ya fẹ́ wa bien dene wa ni repetu na wagae unda menon bi wa the way do talk to himself in Allah dene na yan lo gun la lo nu wa rewuga oni lo oni obi ugwa begbodo ola la dian be dian definitely the Queen Adesua today's show is going to be filled with what? With the grace of the ancestor. Because today topic is something that we eat fruit to Edo land. Where the Edos, we have been passing through some little difficulties, some little pains. First of all, I want to go directly to talk on the issue, what is happening in our state. You know one thing I want everybody to know. If you refuse to speak, you will die. And if you speak, you will die. It's better you speak. If you die in the word that you have said the truth. Dying in truth and dying in lie is better to die in saying the truth rather to die in lying. As the ambassador here to touch me, a man with inspiration, with wisdom. But before I come and everything, I will go into research to investigate what is going on. That is why, before I decided to broadcast, I broadcast out with what I've seen, which is called evidence. Now when it comes to the court of law, we use it to back yourself up. Now, Edo people, I go use speaking because many of us will not understand correct English. So that we go hear. Because not be correct English, we get our vernacular. And that vernacular, as I hear to talk show, now I want to talk today. First of all, I first talk before I talk to the governor. I want to talk to what? My ex-governor, Adams Aliyu Oshomole. I played that music just now by late Omego. Owe manare e manamuego na no daji no gagba orebo yana imanoriria enoriria eboniwa yana imanoma ekinot emanote temata unda make we scram up one place and make we one to the other. Good afternoon, Marcus Adewale. Yana refused to say the truth, but me, you have a there now. Every dame, that way, every man, you have a mimi array, and a negative attack. I'll send in Munia is my name. Must be a freedom fighter, defender of my kind. People that come, or it's be a job, be what? Because why? I will stand by the truth, and the truth shall surely set me free. Now, my people, we dey talk about Edo State. Good afternoon, Ewosa. National chairman of APC, the ex-governor of Edo State. I want to talk to our ex-governor as the national chairman of APC. I remember when you came into power, You are being brought into power by the PDP, by ex-governor Lucky Gbinedion. When you come, they do one because PDP was having more crisis. Now, it brings you, use you defeat Anene. You can't come out with one very good point. You say no godfatherism. You say you break the wings of every godfatherism and you fought that battle, you succeeded. How do you succeed? With we the Edos, you believe we stood by you. That is how you were victorious in that battle. Not that you alone. No. You cannot be victorious. You alone, no. When the masses refuse you, you can never be victorious. Now, after strength has been done, you came into power, you did something. You do something, I use preaching. You do something, but you start. You started well, and you end bad. You started well, but you end what? Bad. Now you kick against godfatherism. Yeah, your speech. Now I want to judge you. You kick against what? Godfatherism. I'll see talk the good side where you do. Now, as a great man, the national chairman of APC, most of it when you promise you fail. You can't kick against godfatherism. But you do want you, where I want to talk to Governor Obaseki now. Where be say the problem where they be. Some people, they fight for Obaseki, where I'll talk very soon. But Obaseki, no, they help them. But I'll talk to them. John Sife, which is one Albert Obaze. I will talk about Albert Obaze just now. But now, may I talk to at least 30 people where I want to send message to. When person is fighting for someone, I will never reach about town. May I talk to Governor Oshomole before I enter our president governor. Because if we not talk, we go die. If we talk, we go sleep, die. Adam Oshomole, no more godfatherism, you said it. Now, when the governor has entered into power, you want to use your own godfatherism to destabilize the regime of Governor Obaseki. Let me say Obaseki good that they come for Obaseki now. You want to use godfatherism to destabilize the regime of Obaseki. Osmomele. Then say we get some youth, vibrant people. Where they Vinya. You have even feel live in Nigeria, you don't marry there because you want to invest for another my country. She said we know they say, we they sing, we the masses they sing, we keep coming, but we they sing. But some of our people they betray themselves. We go Abuja, go they carry loot. We they see. But time don't come. Where with the masses, we go try to kick against new people. So that make you wanna fall out, come up for that. All those things we want to do, we don't want to engage for our state. We must try to make Edo State great. If you, as an Edo indigene, when we see person they talk to, we go stand by that person. We go join us together to fight the fight for justice, the cause of faith, that there will be a victory. Our people, they are afraid to speak the truth because of what? Peanuts. Peanuts. See Oshomole now, it is try to destabilize that Governor Obaseki. Obaseki not good, they come for Obaseki time. Where I want to talk Obaseki, you know. When you, as a national chairman, I remember in your regime, how you destabilize every other PDP, other people, you make sure say you well, this one are vandalized. You try to vandalize, That is, they are still trying to rearrange themselves in Edo State. Because why? You break the wings of what? The godfather of PDP in Edo State by the help of the masses. And the ancestor was with you. But now you want to turn her upside down. And if you turn her upside down, with the Edo, you go turn her upside down with you. Edo is made up of Isham, Akinko Edo, Benin. You not be turn her. May you feel say we go look you. We go turn her against you. We go turn her against you. Because why? There are people, because the waiting is good for you now. Because say in your regime, we are want to talk to Governor Obaseki now. You help people, you see Agberu, we see people know they think like this because you see give work to Agberu. We are come for Obaseki time. And they come for Obaseki. But now, please, now advise and I beg you. You get pikin. You know, say we day you of sometimes why they choke. We where they move up and down. We feel more clean, we feel jam anywhere, jam anybody, we go jam her too. Now we don't see know everything where they the Europe side. But now advice I want to give you as the former governor of those states, please do not control the governor. You said no more godfatherism, and there will be no godfatherism again. Because if we check you, we examine you, cross-check you, cross-examination, you see get some certain things where you wrong. Nobody perfect. Me where they talk, me are not perfect. But you try, pass blocking. Because why? You build, you see, do something for Benin. But luckily, Papa, now we respect for those state power. That the Esama of Benin. Because why? All the money invest for those states. If people tell they work for that state, your own money, your shomole, you can't go on that my country. You are taking the adult money to another country, and the adult people are suffering. They have no job. Oshomole, woman, I'll take and go back boy. You can never take the money you went to borrow money, and where is the money? Umupa, aye wawe. Ubo wa no mo say. Now, no work for those states. And know people are suffering. May I leave you there? That one where I just tell you, now be that one. May you please, I beg you, as my honorable ex-governor, where see do something. But you spoil where to go, no road. And what people there's no road, you cause that business, don't kill a lot of people. That is what we want to go remove. Maybe we try, maybe go do one. On that aspect, man, leave me and rest your case. You are not just too late for you now. I want to talk to Governor Obaseki. Governor Obaseki. Your Excellency, you are a great governor. Uwe, you are a great governor, but now you are as a governor. Urene, but if you do the adult people, you refuse to give them job. I will talk concerning Abad. Abad, they use your name, they sing at the tone, they use your name, if they praise you, Abad, you don't keep and work. I will talk so that I will talk many things will go. So that may Abad himself make it use his brain, follow you at the tongue. You ain't have power. You don't give Edo Idiji work. You they bring foreign and they work for those states. Because at the time they impide my case, at the support of him, may you try rule for the 8 years. Fine. I will always support you to rule for 8 years. But I will not support you if you refuse to empower the youth of Edo State. Because why? When we are talking about the monopoly, nobody, in short, nobody have what? Monopoly of government. When it comes to your own time, your regime, as a governor of Edo State, you refuse to give anybody a job. Rather, bringing foreigner into Edo State to be working. When the citizens are suffering, they are dying. Governor Obaseki, I want to give you this advice. Please, His Excellency, I will always respect you as the governor of Edo State, but I will rather advise you to do what is right at the appropriate time. If not, you will not be the governor of Edo State, because I don't want Oshomole to destabilize your regime. That is why I'm giving you a piece of advice. Take it or you lose next tenure. You will definitely lose it if you refuse to take this advice. Because Oshomole is against you now. Now take a look at this thing. You refuse to give work to people in Edo State. When there was Agbeu, armed robbery we are seeing now, Oshomole used a technique on you. Was a wise man. Good afternoon, Abi Bianca Gold. Oshomole, he leave Agbeu. Now you stop Agbeu. When you stop Agbeu, people, my brother, you not give work. Oshomole use that one pass you. He give them what? No more thief, no more armed robber. But you stop Agbeu. All the people where you take, when you fumble, you bring other people from other state. Not be a dust to become the worker automatically who are failed. Who far for me? Or you know afraid. Who are far? Who fail only man, my brother. He walk in my way. It's better than time out of my way as a governor. How can the Edo region suffering? How can we the citizen, the Beninese, we are crying? No job. Armed robber everywhere. The youth are stealing. The girls are engaged in prostitution. And you said there is job. And there's no job in Edo State. There is no job in Edo State. You left. You closed Agbeu without giving them job. What do you expect them to do? There must be what? Gunshot, armed robbery in Edo State. We living here in Obes will be afraid to go home. A man that has job, we attack him when he see you to collect our money. Governor, I'm begging you, please empower the youth. The youth are dying. Stop bringing foreigner into Edo State to be working when the citizen of that state has no job. When the citizen of Edo State has no job, you can never be bringing foreigners coming to that land and be working. The citizens are dying, they are weeping. The men engaged in criminal act. Now, Curtis is killing everywhere based on what? No job. Women engaged in prostitution in Edo State. Even when they send position to close in Europe, it cannot close one way or the other. Why? Even the Edo beneath there, they are prostitute, time out, everywhere is there. Because no job. No job, my excellency. No job. I want to tell you, we were there here. As Uyedo, when I say Uyedo, a man who live to speak for the Edo indigenous people. I am speaking for the Edo indigenous people. Same time, I will still tell what is right for the Beninese for them to know. When the governor is there, he's not performing his duty, automatically you need to pull away. You cannot go and bring foreigner to be controlling Edo, working in the Edo, in Benin. When we have the Edo people are there. If Benin no work, he shall do there. If he cannot work, how should they there? No. Oshomole. Me makoyo. Enika makoyo ni. No. Obaseki. Enika makoyo. It's time for you to try to bring what? Empowerment into Edo State. Empower the youth. Let the youth engage in something doing. When Oshomole lady say collecting tax in Edo State, in all store, do they know how to collect tax in Europe? If you are collecting tax, if the person have no job, you will be paying that person. But our government are collecting tax. When you are jobless, you will never be paying the month. When you close your shop, no more payment. Is that to what we collect that? If you don't know the usefulness how to collect it, I will lecture you, governor. Because you said you have been in Europe for years, but you are not doing what you are practicing here. You can never be collecting tax and there's no job. People are dying and suffering. No. That tax is used for road, electricity, the pensioner, and those who have store shop, and when it being fold up, they have no means to any, then the government will be paying them. Are we, the Nigerian government, paying us? Is there those think of not paying, but rather you are closing people when you collect tax from chop, you are not giving them back. That is stealing by truth. You don't understand the meaning of tax. When we talk, we are talking about tax. We have direct income tax. We have the direct income tax. But I want to tell you, the government, if you are doing it, do it right. Don't think you are fooling us. Some of us are very intellectual. We know what we are doing. We are watching. Please, Governor Obaseki, it's time for you to create job opportunity in Edo State. You cannot be there and we are suffering. You cannot be there while the Edo people are suffering. Even when Oshomole is trying to dominate you, was trying to destabilize your regime, me, I never support it. No, I can't support it. It's time. Oshomole never allow anybody. So I will not support Oshomole to destabilize your regime. It's impossible. Me, I will not support it. And I will never support it. As an Uyedo talk show, I will not support Oshomole. That I will use my platform to scandalize Oshomole. Because he said what? No more what? He said one thing. Okay, madam, yeah. He said one thing that yes. Yes. This is a very, very important thing. These are things we need to do. We living in the aspirant. Me, I want to call the governor now. I want to call governor. Make governor here. I want to call governor. Is His Excellency. I want to call His Excellency of Edo State, because these people know what they are doing. It's time for them to empower us. I want to call the governor. Call the governor to empower us. It's very, very important. I want to call His Excellency, and I will also call the Honorable Commissioner for Art and Culture, because I want to call them in my media for you to see me calling them. So you know it's so very, very important. Pick the other phone. This one is bounce. Always check your WhatsApp. Come on, take the number of the governor. Call the governor. Now we like this topic. The number when they are called. Send the video to me when I'm watching. Yeah, let me call the governor with this number. It's very, very good for we to tell our governor what we want. It's better for the governor to hear the cry of his citizen. No, time has come for we to cry out. We the Edo people, because we need to speak out. Let me call him.
Informiamo che il suo credito sta per terminare, perché è inferiore a 3 euro IVA inclusa.
Yeah, it's very, very important we speak with the governor. Very important. It's not ringing. If it's not ringing, I will call the Honorable Commissioner for Art and Culture. Go save it. Because these are things we need to do. We need to fight for our right. What belongs to us, we must tell them, we must take it back. So that it is very, very important that we say our mind. Because I do things straightforward, not like this. But a lot of people are campaigning, fighting for the government whereas they are dying. That is why I will come to the side of, when I finish with governor, I will come to the side of what? About. Okay? So it's very, very important. So I want you all to see me calling them. Very important. Speak with the governor to hear our cry. Our people go be artists, musicians, they not go help am. Don't bring another person come. All these things we must try to stop it. Those are the things. As an Uyado Talk Show, I'm here to talk on those aspects. So we have to talk to our honorable governor. We talk to them. So it's very, very good. So that you people see, so that you will hear. If the governor pick his call, you pick. If he pick, then okay, hold on. It's ringing. The governor is ringing. The governor is not picking yet. He's ringing. But the governor is ringing. It is ringing. The governor phone is ringing now. The governor saw it. He's saying, governor, make it pick up. Okay, it's online. It's daylight. It's daylight. It look online because you want to know the picture. It's daylight. Very, very important. The governor is seeing it. The governor is the looker. The governor not pick. So may I call the honorable commissioner. Governor, he did like sure say he did. Governor daylight, it is shown. I'll call the honorable commissioner. I'm calling Governor Obaseki. I say which governor? Hello? Good afternoon, sir. It's Honorable Commissioner for Art and Culture. Am I with you, sir?
Yes.
This is I'm calling from Mr. Lisa. This is Uyado Talk Show presenter. I also have some little thing to discuss with you, sir. You see Iran. You see the Honorable Commissioner Iran. When he hear say na Uyado Talk Show, Iran. You see what we are saying. When I see the Honorable Commissioner, when I talk say this is Uyado Talk Show, Iran, because he dey fear say I want to put him for broadcast. He say who is this? I say it's me, the Honorable Commissioner Igbaga. If you are, I don't, when you hear somebody say I'm the what, all you have to do is to respond to me. He's supposed to pick. You see how he said when I tell her he caught it. So my people, the governor refused to pick my call now. The honorable commissioner, immediately I said, what did he do? He hung up the call. Don't worry. Let me send him a message. So I don't send a message. Now I send him a message. I can the honorable commissioner. We see a man calling you. Do you have something eating? You a honorable commissioner of art and culture. This parent affair. Now I called you. You said immediately I told you this is the Weirdo Talk Show. Immediately it's end of the call. But I send him a message. Okay, he's writing me back. He's writing me back now. He's writing back now. Let me look at his response. Well, a lot of people are fighting for the governor, but the governor is not helping them. He's writing me, but let me see what his message. Very, very important. When you are fighting for your people, for their authority, you fight it well. As an Weirdo Talk Show, I want to move forward. So I want to talk things. Let me see his message. See what he want to write. As the Honorable Commissioner. See what he want to write. Now he said, what do I want to discuss with him? Who is this player? Yeah. Hold on. I've sent him a message. So now I said what I want to discuss. Now I send him a message. In case now I send him a message to me, he's replying back. Before he reply back, I'm sending the Honorable Commissioner a message. Maybe we'll reply back. His Excellency is there. Very, very important when fighting what? For justice. The Honorable Commissioner is sending message, but I'm calling the governor again. The governor have not sent a message. I don't want the governor to pick his call. You heard the Honorable Commissioner voice. Who is this? What do I like to discuss with him? I will send him a message back. Can Glass through? Can Glass go here to talk show? Then we know. Now, let's wait. Let me go on before. Okay, Honorable Commissioner have called me. Please, the Honorable Commissioner called me. So let me call him back. He called me. I made a mistake when calling the governor. Let me call him. Called me before on his phone. He called me before. I made a mistake. When I was calling the governor, he called me before. Now, I'm sending a message. Called the other time, was returning my call to the governor. I missed his call twice. Maybe we call back again. Let me leave it. Okay. Yeah, it's moving well. He said something. He called twice. He said, God bless me. You like what I'm doing? So I believe he's going to call back. It's like he's busy. Thank you. So my people, let's go on. We have seen. I'm trying to contact. I'll call the Honorable Commissioner. He sent me a message now. I was calling the governor, but the governor is online. The governor is online, but maybe he's busy. There is no picking his caught it, but he saw my message. The governor saw my message. So if the governor is looking at my message, but my people, what am I saying on this thing? That the governor, I'm fighting for the Edo people. I'm doing something that will help the growth of Edo EDG. Now, like Governor Obaseki, he refused helping the Edo EDG. They are not promoting the Edo artists. That is why I'm mocking, and people are suffering there. Let's take a look at what this guy Abat Obaze. Abat Obaze, I want to advise him now. Abat Obaze, we the Benin, we love you. We'll be with you. I want to advise you. You are fighting for Governor Obaseki. Do you know, I want to make one instance. When a man, before I talk in background, I want to talk to Abat Obaze. When a man, someone, you follow your father to the farm, or you follow someone to the farm to work to clear grass. When you are clearing the grass, as the person that brought you is telling you, or your father tells you, say, "Oh my son, I see you're good, you are doing well," to encourage you more to pick up with the job. You will keep on doing it because there is joy. He is telling you, do. About Obaseki, you are be crying for governor, helping governor, trying to promote Governor Obaseki. Obaseki, he refused to help you. He has not given you job. He refused. If not that you said you are, I see your video, you are doing a job. If you sell land, that's how you earn your living. My brother, please, I want to give you guys a man fighting for somebody, and this person refused to help you, and you are still crying. But I know you are not doing it for the governor anyway. You are fighting for the Edo people. But it is better for the governor to employ you, because now they go to, as you talk one word, say concerning Oshomole, they don't say they're going to say assassination for you, assassin for you. I know politics. I know them. They will try to kill you. You are chatting for governor. Governor not give you work. Well, we the Edo, we go try, maybe we back you to help you, because we see how you governor not give you work. You dey fight every day. Governor Obaseki, you oppress her. Governor is doing this one. Governor Obaseki is doing this one. Governor Obaseki have done this thing. But governor not give you job, oh. My brother, it is very, very important you know, my Edo people, I beg. That our brother Abat Obaze, in fact, he wants support governor based on say, as the governor will come now, may he sit there with her. Make una share this program, may reach where our brother dey Abat Obaze. Governor no give empowerment to people. We get a lot of artists every year. If they do, many they bring our artists, Edo artists go to Nigeria. You they talk to governor, the head governor. Governor not give you job. You have been shouting and crying for the governor of those states up to now. Obaseki, Omar Wuso, you know whether you the Boru, he leave you. And now you will become an enemy of people in Edo State. But fine, we the Edo that know that you are fighting for Edo people, trying to promote, trying to tell governor, Edo need this, Edo need this. But governor Mao, you know the year. If he knows, say you dey read the talk, for give you job. Because we know, say if you sell land, now you get your living. And get come for mind, say people are there trying to kill you. It's politics. They will feel you are bringing something hidden inside you, or the APC, and then we try to be killing you. Oshomole, you know Oshomole now. Oshomole, we know her. Because governor, nobody cannot give Agbewu work. After his Kondo Agbe will no work for them. So you will know. Say, Obaseki, I beg, it's time for you to hear the cry of this boy where they Albert Obase where they shout follow you. Give am work. Because Albert we know say Albert they say na land he take dey feed. It's time when you see give that guy work. That guy don't cry, don't shout with the see am. You understand? It is better you give him work. You can never be there. You refuse to give, to employ the Edo EDG. Albert is crying there and I support you. You no get job. Automatically Edo EDG have no job. The Benin has no job. A man where they cry, be like, Rishi Flush, come. These are my platform. This not be Movie Face platform, my dear. If you are coming to my platform, I block you. Leave me. I'm the only man. I don't fear any bastard. If I'm saying my thing on the social media, I'm warning you. Be careful about your speech. If you are talking about Movie Face, go there and talk whatever you want to say. I'm doing to promote my culture. So I'm warning you. I will warn you. Last time I warned you. After this time, I've warned you. If you are a male, I will tell you what is good for you. When I'm talking reasonable something, I don't want people that like you. I can't say much way you talk. Who are what did they call yourself? People like una wey more see they call what did they call now? May I really fair unfriend you. Because I fair unfriend you. Because I fair unfriend you before I block you. It's better to unfriend you. You not be my friend first. So may I fair remove you, come up with my distance before I talk to you. So I want your fair remove you before I you understand? May I make a fair remove you. If you drink for what you they talk, maybe they support Shomole or they support governor for when not give people work for those states, then I know say na the kind person where you be. So my people, before I go on my topic, I want to do something. When people primary school dropout like you, if I'm saying something reasonable and you are trying to say things that are not relevant to what I'm saying, then I will take you out of my program. First of all, what I want to do is to say, bring you out first for people to see. You dey stupid you. Now you they put, may I look your name self, okay, this will not be you. May I look you well. Mona see whether na this stupid person dey. Mona see person where they talk, when they talk reasonable thing. You see person where they talk, and they talk reasonable thing go help the country. See person where they talk. See am, you see your girlfriend where you dey friend. See the friend Ashawo where you dey friend, where they feed you for house. They go road for you. See am. Not talk on my program. I know what you belong to because I dey watch all your program. See all what you belong to. Now you be baby bird. Now you be because you put only a bad bird for them. You are baby bird. You are stupid for telling me that word. You understand? You look at me where the best way you come my program. If it's easy, go and do it and speak. You looking like best you don't come to my platform, I will destabilize your picture everywhere. Don't try it again. You look me like I don't run things before, all your people will tell you look me like Mugu. Don't do it again. If you people man they feed you where you put where you put for there, you know, you careful prepare your speech. I don't invite you. Now make I unblock you before I pick your picture. Stupid baby bird where you be. When you sleep, the real people where be bird men where they fly. They're different. The way you say be useless baby bird. I'll tell you. Go see the real bird man. Then you be baby bird. Wow, bell. Imagine where you are now. Ita mawene. You are a bunkler. You look me like. Come, I want you in my platform. If I don't tell you to talk, you don't talk. See person. If the old woman they drink because if they see the way they drink up and down. See the girl. Now even they buy you drink up and down. Now the girl they buy you drink. The girl now they give you, now they feed you. They carry you go party, they buy you drink. You know they shame. Before I talk, the guy even hold drink. If you don't let you hold drink, you hold cigar, mugu. Go ahead, the guy they drink. See the way the guy hold drink. Wait till you hold. Meh. You want to be like Barotelli. You buy Barotelli here. You want be like Barotelli. See now. Because not be your money. Now the guy money. The guy money. See now. Now even born for you now. See your pikin now money. If you let you drink, you are a vagabond. I bet me I block now. You want me I first show people before I block the need tweet refrat. Say refrat. I will block him because we want a those state must be okay. I want to show people out. Now get they feed you now. Go and walk. The woman is drinking. You are down there. You stay with the woman. You did there. The guy is drinking. Okay. So make I don't want that boy. Be careful about your speech. Don't use that speech on me. Wash your tongue. So my people, what do they talk about? We they talk about Obaze. Obaze, if they follow governor not give am work. Obaze, governor not give Edo people work. He not give you work. And you dey praise am and down. My brother, be careful. May you not go die. But we go help you. May I pick this caller? Hello, caller.
Don't let that guy distract your talk. You dey talk something important just now.
Yes.
Everybody dey pay attention. We all want this thing. May we know wetin dey happen for us.
Okay, I know let am distract. Thank you, my brother. I know let am distract am.
Anybody wey dey write rubbish wey you not do, whether you block am or you ignore am. Abeg.
Yeah, thank you, my brother, for calling.
We'll come back just now to contribute for the issue.
Okay now. Thank you very much. People, when we are talking about what is important, we talk about how to help. A lot of our artists are there. How many people they don't help? They bring foreigner. How many people they don't help? They bring people from other states come they work for Edo State. Why the Edo dish not get work? Una they are people, my people. If una they are people, more than tell me so na they are people. The Edo dish don't have job. Like our sister, where be real woman where they sing, the queen. Okay, they no reach to say okay, our sister, even when this avec capital and Sean, we help man, and the people are there in need of a job for you people. Our sister who are supposed to help. I remember that woman was a nice woman who are supposed to promote her with her music and her concept, but they refused to help her. But all you people need to do is to blackmail ourselves. No. It's very, very bad. So, I beg you, my people, we need job in Edo State, and we believe the job we will get. We believe the job we will get. The job we will get is better we say the truth than to lie. Okay? That is why I am here to tell you the truth. The governor need to help people that are working, trying to, people that the artists in Edo State, if no job for them, like Davido when they carry that day, we not get people for Edo State. Why they not carry them? They neglect all these people. People do mama na bini, may we talk truth. Waiting I dey here for come talk. Message to you, my brother, about Obaze, when fighting for governor. Make governor give job. If governor want give job, he not give you. You will dey fight for them. I don't people not get job. Please, my brother, let the governor know. Make we bring job for those states. We the Benin, we will support you. And with my platform, we say, okay, Obaze, about Obaze, we will support you. All we want the job in Edo State, and we want the governor to give you job too. You promote governor. Governor not give you job. Edo Idiji the snuffer. Governor not they bring foreigner, they give them job for our state. And the Edo Idiji not get work. How we go stay happy? We can never be happy. We can never be pleased with this regime if we the Edo Idiji have no job. If we the Edo Idiji does not have job, my brother Albert, first of all, you will don't the promoter make it give you job. He not give you. Upon all you don't sing, you don't talk. Fight for me that with people, he not give you job. We sing when you talk, you dey. If you sell land, now you fit earn your living. And now, for waiting you don't talk, get time for mad. People go dey time, may they assassinate you. Because why? You don't show what give. Talk from Shomole, talk say that they do. Don't they plan evil against you? No, some of these are people. Well, Shomole fair help. They are people. Some of them now. What Shomole say give what? Go plan evil against you. My brother, use your brain. But not worry, the ancestor will guide you. Because you make us still know, say, oh, Shomole, that one see that when I make me say, so Shomole is still trying to destabilize, still acting as the Godfather, which the Godfather is not supposed to exist again. Obaseki need to give us job. Oshomole should come out there as a Godfather. It's time to regime. For Obaseki, regime also come on, another person enter. If Obaseki give us job, we go support him, go complete the 8 years. But if he not give us job, he not tell all the people where pre come and those to make they eradicate them. Obaseki will lose his second tenure. He will lose his second tenure until he provide job for Edo Idiji and tell the people where he empower, because he not empower the youth in Edo State. Why? Albert, you are a youth. He not give you job. Automatically, Obaseki is not doing a good job. You that has been shouting, first way they chat for you, you will give a job. We suppose yes, say Obaseki give you job. As you don't do reach for Obaseki. Obaseki, me I dey beg you now, give us job. Give Albert work. Albert Obaseki, he don't chat, talk. He don't see get job now. Please, Obaseki, all can we are him and we no manuel. When on say so small sulelewe umayi winane. Ha. We mayi winane no man sick or where? What about us? No job for our brothers and sisters. Obaseki, we want it before. No, it's very bad. If person they promote me, I will first of all give her a job. You don't give her a job. Automatically, people when you brought come, when you bring come that state, dominated those states, they are doing for no they work. If you not give us job, better, Oshomole will succeed, push you out of the governor. But when you provide job for those people, my brother, watch out. We the job, we will stand with you. In short, meanwhile, even here say you don't give Edo people job, you don't give Albert job, self, because we know Albert now never get job. Give Albert job first. Give her job. We will not say you are doing the good thing to Edo people. You know, Epa, the guy is shouting, praising you every day, but he has no job. It's very bad. No, He has done a great job for you because that guy has been singing, promoting Governor Obaseki, Governor Obaseki, Omagbe, Obaseki Wona. Oh, Shomole give job. You stop Agbewu Obaseki. Agbewu no stop. Umabi Minani, Amroba na Bedona. Amroba Fubini. If you give the job, no, Abba, he not give Abba a job, must give a job. He not give a people job. Abba they sell land, night they eat. He they campaign for governor. Ah, they campaign for man, I not get job. No, I not campaign for now. Tomorrow now don't buy am. But no, you don't worry, we there don't protect him. Both spiritually and physically, we will protect him. And the ancestor will protect him. Since he's fighting for the EDG of Edo State, now his speaker say, now we hear. I was in Ireland when I saw that program. When Oba did, I was there. So, okay, what is it? That Shomole is trying to... No. That is why I love my beautiful sister, the Queen Adesuwa Anthony. It's a person where they suppose... These are people who be artists where they promote. My people, let's call a spade a spade. This message is straight goes toward my great governor, His Excellency, Governor Norerase Obaseki, to place, empower the youth in Edo State. You cannot bring foreigner to take over Edo land. Foreigner cannot take over Edo land. Foreigner cannot be the people working while the Edo indigenous people are not working. No, it's not proper. Let's call a spade a spade. All I want you to do, please give us a job, empower the youth, create job opportunity for our people, make a way for the people. That is why there's a problem in your regime now. If only you can do that and stop bringing foreigner to Edo State, don't worry, we are all by your side. Then you will win the second tenure. Without that, you would lose. Because I don't want your tenure to be destabilized. That is why, as I'm here to talk show, I am here to give you a big advice to provide a job for we, the Edo indigenous people. When we get a job, if you're in Europe here, like Bologna here, when there's a job opportunity, the first citizen of that state, Bologna is in, first of all provide a job. They will first of all provide a job for them. Before what? The foreigner. Now you cannot bring a foreigner into the state without the indigenous people have no job. No. You first of all provide a job for us. A man crying and shouting, protecting you, shouting, trying to promote you, and this man have no job. Why? Try. I want to see you have really helped that guy, Albert Obaze. I want to see you, Governor Obaseki, please, I'm pleading, employ him. Do this thing for Albert so that I can be working. If you have a job, he's working with you, put him in an office. I've never seen a governor give Albert Obaze work. No. But this man has been campaigning for you, campaigning. Me, myself, I will be here. I said, Albert, but when Albert will talk, come out, they look at video, he will say, I smell land, now till they eat. But that man, they campaign for you. And you they bring foreigner, they come. Even if when they close, so you don't give the job. Uba wana. Uba wana. Uba wana. Uba wana. Albert, my brother, I go advise you, if governor not give you job, I beg, not the promoter again, because you don't do promoter, make you careful, because get and say some people they watch over you to buy you, because why? That though some of the people who they don't give job. Now you criticize you don't know say those people go to verse for you, and Obaseki don't give job to people. My brother, watch your back. But with the Benin, the Edo people, let's come together to protect that young guy. Bad, because we know anything fit happen, but we don't let bad thing happen to them. No worry, with my platform as we are the talk show, I will try to speak to people to protect you, that the governor should provide a job for you and provide a job for Edo indigenous people. Because no job, if you have a job now, we'll be proud of you. Now the governor refused to give you a job. How about Obasa? The governor, you have been promoting the governor after all the promotion, promoting, campaigning for governor. At the end, you have no job. He needs to give you job. We are crying for job opportunity in Edo State. Our governor is bringing foreigners to Edo State to be working. Why the indigenous people has no job? No, it's not proper. I will not support Godwin Obakase. Please, how about I give this message to you? May you let governor know. We hear those talk shows say the Edo people don't get job. Even you, make them share to Abba. Make him give Abba job. Upon Abba, give Abba job, make give us job. You don't give a job. Abba, they promote you. You don't give a job. You support give a job. Make we know say Abba, yes, he governor give a good job. You don't give a job. You don't give us job. No. Our people are crying. You are bringing foreigners to Edo State. You need to empower the youth of Edo citizens. We the Edo want a job. We want you to create a job for the Edo DG. We want you to promote what the artists of Edo State. They are our incoming artists here in Europe. A lot of them are singing. They are good singer. They are our beautiful sister, the Queen. You are not help that woman. That woman has been a reggae messiah. What they don't do for her? What they don't do for her? But they neglect her. These are people I want us to promote. These are people may we promote. So that our sister, me, I must promote that my sister, that the Queen Adesuwa. You understand? Okay, my people. So I beg, I will love every one of us. People will be say good, like our the Queen, we go promote her. That one are the Queen, and this one way use good music. So we are here to speak the fact that our governor will provide a job for Edo EDG. We cannot be here. I will speak with my Honorable Commissioner of Art and Culture. Please, this part we are pleading. We're living here because we know we have seen a good job you have been doing. But as you use this opportunity, we based here in Europe. Please, sir, I will use my platform to plead to you. You should use this your opportunity to invite the Edo artists based in what in this part, because we have a lot of artists here that can perform more better than artists living in what? In Nigeria. Those we came here for the betterment of our future. But sir, we believe. Then I will really talk with you, sir. And His Excellency, Godwin Obakase, please, with the Edo, we are pleading for you to help us. We need a job in Edo State, and I want you to help us. You can Edo people are suffering. The Edo indigenous people are suffering. We need a job. Please promote Edo people, and I plead that you should help the Edo people, and as you do, God will bless you. You will win the second tenor. That is my speech, my message for today, that the governor should please help the Edo, and as you do, God bless you. My people, thank you very much. I thank everybody coming out on my platform today. Based on what this good news are passed out. You know, sometimes when we are talking serious issue, there are some certain people we think maybe it's for fun, But there are times we say, when we talk about reality talk show, there is time for fun. There is time for reality. When we are saying reality things, some people will think maybe we are making fun. That is why sometimes when Mobife call them primary school dropout, it sounds somehow to me. I really believe that they are what really primary school dropout. Okay, and so there are a lot of people. Good evening, Dobok Bermudia. When we are saying reality, people will be saying other things, writing, you see that. That is why then we say a weirdo is always trying to scandalize some women, scandalize some men. Some people, they are just there. They don't know what is right for them to do. We that are promoting our culture, you can't do it. When you see people that are doing it, support them. That is why I don't criticize whatever you are doing. You believe you can do it. Come on, go on, do it. But it's what I believe I can do. That is what I'm doing. It's what I believe I can do. That's what I'm doing. Do what you believe you can do. What can you contribute to the development of your society? The positive reaction in human life. But there are people, their contribution is always negative. The downfall of human life. But I can never be a part and parcel of such people. But I will help you. When someone is going down, I will help you to climb the ladder to get to your peak of your destiny. That is what I'm doing. The moment I do that, someone is there to help me too. So I don't like people on a platform trying to say all sorts of nonsense, trying to provoke me to say things I'm not ready to say. Please, I want to advise everybody, please do that. And I want to tell people on the issue we are discussing yesterday, based on our sister, the punch, we have nothing, we have no quarrel. Imose is our sister. You know, sometimes we presenter, we have bad mouth. We can use our mouth to counter you. We can use our mouth to scandalize you. So on that issue of Imose Golden Punch, let's let it be bygone. The issue has been resolved, and I believe, please, you don't just take whatever we say personal. No, it's not personal issue. Is when we talk about politics is all about how you can counter your position, how you can destabilize your position. That is what politics is all about. That is same thing goes to this world. The presenter, your opponent might come out with one thing to use against you, but that doesn't mean you are already doing it. You might use this. Doesn't really matter that you are doing it. That is why I use this medium to advise anybody. Doesn't mean what people saying on the social media to scandalize your lab presenter does not mean it's true. No, don't do that. So we shouldn't really take it personal. Okay? And my people, our message today is to Our Excellency Governor and His Honorable Minister, and to ex-Governor Adams Shimole, and to our brother Abat Obaze. So we want Edo people to have a job. We don't want the governor to keep on bringing people outside the Edo community to be working while the citizens are crying, and some have become armed robber. When you think of Agbero from work, you give them a job. Say, nah, no Agbero, what do you expect them to do? They will engage in armed robbery. That is the only way Oshomole was able to tackle that issue. It leaves them to be working. When you make work, give them, feast them for work. You created a police, you bring other foreigners. No. Let the Edo indigenous to work. The moment they work, get it. They will be what? Crime. Crime will reduce in that state. Curtis will reduce in that state. That is why I use this my platform to beg His Excellency to help with the Edo indigenous. Please, we want to get a job. We need a job. Our people need a job. Our citizens need a job. To our brother, Abad, please, you are speaking for the governor. The governor need to give you a job, because you have been saying a lot of things and you get it. You have no job. You said you are come to your speech. You are your video. You spend land to earn living. The governor needs to employ you, and you are there. The governor are applying for you now. It's not proper. Governor, please, I beg on behalf of Abba, employ him. He's our brother. Abba, don't worry. With the Edo, we support him. With the police, we support you. So our governor will give you a job. I will give every one of us a job. Okay? I know we living here. We can go there and work. Rather, we have a job here. But we believe us people that are still living there need a job. And the governor should please use this my platform. I want to get to His Excellency, sir. I'm not pouring salt on you, sir. I'm pleading with my platform to create a job to empower the youth of Edo State so that you wouldn't lose your second tenure. If you can do this, believe me, you go to victory is yours. Please, if people that are fighting for you, always give them a job. Give them a job. Okay? Help them so that we can see the growth of Edo Idijin. Thank you. Today I end this program. Love every one of you. I remain your humble servant. We are the talk show. Love you all. Have a wonderful day. Bye.